Yes, look at that. That is sick. Hey guys, you lot aren't ready for the TikTok.
When I was young, I just wanted to be swerving. Now I got my first whip, I be smirking. With my
What is good everyone, it's DSG Panther here. Today we're going to be installing some brand new rear lights to my Polo Gti and also the diffuser because my diffuser fell off. So without further ado, let's get into it. Let's do it. What we need today is we need our handy good old drill, and then we just need the drill bits that we use to put the diffuser on, and then yeah, everything else should be pretty easy. And then for the rear lights, we literally just need the cable connectors that come with the Vland rear lights. I will tell you guys how to do this in a minute because there's no videos on it, obviously. I'm the first one, which is great. But yeah, so I will show you guys how to install the Vland rear lights with these cable connectors, which look a little bit confusing, but they're not actually as bad as you think they are. But yeah, honestly, it's gonna look sick. And then out here, we have the Polo, all wet because it's been raining. Down here, we have the sexy Vland smoked rear lights. I did put on my Instagram what ones you guys thought I got. Of course, I got the smoked ones. Look at them, they're gonna look sick. And then here, we have an actual Maxton rear diffuser because previously I had the eBay one. So, we can compare what is better, the eBay one or the Maxton one. So yeah, without jibber jabbing forever, let's just get into this video. Without further ado, let's install the rear lights first because it's going to be easier. But yeah, let's go do it. So guys, here is literally the boot, and these are the original lights. They look so shit. But yeah, so we're going to take this bit off here, literally just undo that. And then you just got to undo that white bit there. Literally just got to unscrew that. And then this whole unit comes out, so let's do that. Okay, so we've now got it out. Yeah, so it literally just comes out there, and as you can see, the light is already moving. So let's get it out. Okay, so when you get the light off, you literally, you see the little clip there, that little red clip there. You just need to push that forward. I just used a little nail screw, and then literally just pull back on the little cream tag at the top, and then the light literally just comes out. So now we've got the old light out, now we can put the new unit in. So we're going to tidy this up and then put the new one in, so let's do it. So just for everyone watching, this is the difference between the Vland smoked light and the original light, which has got a light tint on it. But yeah, they are the differences. We'll get this one on the left and then leave that one there so you guys can see the differences once we've changed them over. So yeah, okay, so here we have the wiring that you get with the Vland light. So one of these says L on it for left. There we go. This one's got left on it, and then the other set of wires, it's got R on it for white. So make sure you have right on the right one, left on the left one. So yeah, let's work out what one goes where, and then we can connect it into here. Okay, so the first little adapter goes into the little one. It can only go into one hole anyway. So the first one goes like that. Just for example, on the right, we'll have a look at the right one. So this is the adapter. Now this goes into the original cable that comes out of the Vland light. So you're basically adapting it. And then obviously this one goes into there. So you're adapting it and then you're done. So yeah, let's do that. Alright guys, so now that we've tucked all the cables behind there, I'll talk to you about it, how I've done that in a minute because it's a bit complicated. But we've now tucked all the cables away inside here, And yeah, so the first one you get here literally just clips on to the original clip that you get on the Vland light. It might be easy if you have someone with you just to help you plug this stuff in, but there you go, first one in. And then you literally just want to plug these two here into each other. And then now you just push that back in there. And then we can just tuck the rest of the wire inside of the light. And then boom. Okay guys, so we've got the left side in, but I'm not happy with how it's sitting because look, when I push it in, there's like a fat gap there. And obviously when I close the bonnet, there's like a gap down here. So I'm gonna leave it undone for a minute. And then we're gonna do the right side. I'm just gonna make sure that I've done it properly because I'm not too happy with the left side. But yeah, let's get on to the right. But before I do that, let's do a before. Show you that side indicating and this side indicating quick. Car, we don't even need to turn the engine on, let's just turn the ignition on, indicate left. As you know, we might as well put the hazards on. Actually, we will put the hazards on. Here you go, so you guys can see it better. So that is normal indicator. And that is the Polo Gti Vland 6C lights. That is so much better. I can't lie, that looks 10/10 compared. Like, well, the indicator is actually better than the normal one. So you're actually making your car safer. I can't lie. But yeah, that is bad. Alright guys, so we're now on to the next side. So as I said, same procedure. Take this out, and then that is your connector. That's what we had on the, I think it's when we had the F1 light. I don't really know where they have come from, but I think it's the fog light connector. So yeah, but yeah, let's do I'm gonna time lapse it. There's no point showing you because I'm just showing you on the other side. But yeah, let's time lapse it and then until we've got the next one on, and it's gonna look bad. Guys, they are now on, and look at that.
Look, who's that pushing big whips in the fast lane? That's DMO fam. Who's that lodging from police in a car chase? That's DMO fam. Who's that spinning that mix going hard, mate?
Alright guys, we have now completed the Vland Polo Gti 6C lights, and oh my god, look at how sexy the indicators are on that. Like, oh my god, you literally couldn't believe that it's the same car. Honestly, these are so sick. Shout out to my mate Sam that was selling me these. They are used, but they're really good condition. Go follow his plate business. I'll leave the link in below. But yeah, look how sick they look. Honestly, that is so sick. I actually 110% rate them if you guys want to upgrade your lights. Yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed the installation video on the Vland Polo Gti lights. There's not any videos on the GTI, so I thought I'd do one. And I will do an update process video on how they are. Follow me on Instagram to see all the TikToks that I'm going to be doing with these lights, because oh, insane, honestly, actually insane. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. I'm really putting out a lot of videos recently, just trying to build up the Polo. Yeah, but yeah, hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. I'll leave the link in the description where I can find these that are for sale. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next YouTube video. Peace.